So, hi everyone. Guess what we're doing today? We're going to DIY the Zury Sis scarf wig. Okay, I know everyone has seen it or maybe you haven't, but we're going to DIY. I'm going to show you how to make the Zury Sis Uno scarf wig yourself. Now, I have an old wig cap, you know, have an old wig cap that, the wig I took the hair off. But we're going to use that, and we're going to use the Silk Press Yaky. Remember this purple color, I need to see the purple, maybe. This purple color was from the Glamorous Mystery Box, so we're going to use that. It comes in 18, 16, and 14, and since their unit is 18 inches, I'm going to use the 18 and the 16, and of course, you need your scarf. Now on theirs, it's a brown cheetah scarf, but I have the black and gray, so we're going to use this. These are the 3 items you will need. Okay, so let's get started. So I completed the first track. I double did. I did the first row. At the end, I'm going to do the flip over method. I didn't sew on camera because I don't sew that fast. And believe me, this will be longer than needed to create this. So, after I finish sewing all the tracks on, I'll be back so we can attach the scarf and see how this is looking. Look at this beautiful purple. Look at that. Okay? So, I'll be back. So, now we're finished. And if you see the wig, you'll see that the top part of the wig, there's no hair there underneath the scarf. It is 18 inches long. So, like I said, I used the 18 and the 16. And this is what we have. Look at that beautiful purple. That beautiful ombre, that purple. So, okay. Now with the scarf. So the scarf is attached to the head. Now with the scarf, I took and I turned under like 3.5 inches. So this is what this will be looking like. Put it on. Oops. I think I'm going to need to take that hem. Make sure it's even. So I pull it out some to, go like over the eyes. And we're going to tie it. We're going to tie it to the back for right now because I'm going to go and I'm going to tack it down. So when I come back and it's all finished, I will show you what it's looking like. Look at that. Tack it and, tie it and put it in a little bow, like they have on one of the cars. And, there you are. So look at that. So I'll be back. So, we're back. I'm finished. It's ready. So let's take a look. Let's go from the front. So, in mine, it has the combs to the front. Yes, you have one to the back. I don't have adjustable straps on this. And I've tacked down the scarf like they have it. So, it's tacked down because on theirs, there's no hair at the top. Theirs have a clear cap, but no hair at the top. I guess this is so it can fit flat on your head. The scarf and my beautiful purple. See, little hair at the top. None. So I am going to I'm going to take this one off and put this on so we can see how this is looking. I'll be right. So here we go. I'm going to pull the hair to the front, just like the hair is. And see, my scarf is already there, so I'm going to pull it up some. Okay, wait. Yeah, like I can't tie a knot or something. Okay. There we go. So I have I'm gonna pull this up just some. And there we go. So they say you can flip it to the front like this. Oh wait, I got my little pin in here. You flip it to the front, make the cute little bow. Look at that. Look at that. So, you can flip it to the front. So, you make your own. This is cute. Now, I usually wrap on the scarf sometimes. Usually, I put on my little hats when I put on my, my units or what have you. But the little scarf wig is cute. Reminds you of the hats, of course. You know, when it just had the little thing sewn inside. So, I have a pin right there. So, I'm going to take and do the little bow to the back, like I seen on the card. See how the bow is looking. And it is 18 inches long, just like they have there, because theirs is not too thick. They say it's, it's thin. So, of course, I'm not going to say I made it thin, but I used the silk press unit. I mean, the thing that came in my Glamortress box, my mystery box. So I used that hair, and I used the 18 and the 16. So this is the result, and this is the back for the bow. How cute is that? How cute is that? So, I hope you enjoyed it. The DIY, because it seems to be, it's like the latest, I'm going to say the latest wig that's coming out. My BFF sent me the picture, but I had seen it, and I was like, okay, I can go right on and make that. So here is your DIY on the Zury Sis scarf wig, the Uno, which there are some other styles. You could have the curly style and some. You have to go and see it. I don't have a picture for it right now, but here you go. Here you go. You can do it yourself. Do it yourself. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I had fun because now I don't have to go and purchase the Zury Sis scarf wig. I've made it myself. Okay? So with the scarf, you know, it's a long scarf. To tack it down, I tacked it in the middle, you know, and on the sides, and a little bit towards the back. That's where I tacked it. I'm going to suggest whatever color, you know, scarf that you wear, get your matching thread and try to tack it in between like the little designs, because I haven't tacked up on the black. So, of course, I really can't tell you where it's tacked at because I can't see it anyway. Okay? So, like, what do you think? Leave me comments. Let me know. Did I hit it? Did I hit it? Did I hit it? Okay? I think I did. I think I hit it just right because, of course, look, what my shirt say? Huh? It said, get your hair to count up. Get your hair to count up. I hit it. Yes. So, okay, enough of the shenanigans. Anyway, all descriptions will be left down in the box below. Leave me a thumbs up. And of course, leave me your comments. Let me know, you know. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, press that little button down there. Press that little button, you know, so you won't miss another video, another DIY, another haul, another wig review, eyeshadow, whatever it is that I am doing. Okay? Mwah! Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone. Yes. Ah, I'm just loving my purple. Loving my purple. All descriptions will be left down in the box below.